Bigger picture. Boom, 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 and freeze.
I recommend coming down towards
Downhill, the other one no.
Oh, I thought it was the right. Okay, ndugu zangu, kama mnavyoona hapa ndio Big Bear Lake. Kuna snow kwa nyuma yangu kama mnavyoona kwa kule mbali, nitawafikisha. So ukifika maeneo haya ndio vitu kama hivi. Unaona upande ule wa kushoto huko ndo beginner area kwa wale ambao wanaanza. Lakini mara nyingi sehemu wanaoenda hapa, hii ni kwa wale ambao wanajua tayari namna ya kufanya vitu kama hivi, kama kuski na kusnowboard na kadhalika. Ila kama huna ujuzi, kuna sehemu kule chini unaenda, hiyo ndo kwa ajili ya beginner area. Hatari sehemu. Umeona? Mabarafu kama yote. Unaona? Alafu barafu ngumu kufikia. Naikanya. Kwanza naonesha vitu nilivyopiga. Umeona? Nimeangalia hii boot. Na gloves kama hizi za kibabe. Kwa hapa baridi hapa haipiti hata kidogo. Unaona vitu kama hivyo, watu kwa nyuma kule, watu wanakula.
binding and the skis together.
Kwa sasa kwa pale watu wanaokaa pale au ni wazoefu. Umeona watu kama hao. Hawa ni watu ambao wanajua wanachokifanya. Lakini wewe kama sio mzoefu usiwe na hofu, kwa sababu kuna sehemu wanatoa madarasa ya beginners. Na nitaenda kule nitaonesha procedures ziko vipi. Ile anyway, kama mnavyotazama hapa ndo Big Bear. Kuna watu wa kweli mabingwa, cheki. So anyways, subini niwapeleke ile sehemu ya beginners ili muweze kujionea vitu vingi zaidi. So tunaendelea kuelekea ile sehemu ambao wanakaa beginners. Hai sehemu hatari, hizi barafu zinanifanya niteleze. Ngoja nipite. Hapa kuna moto nini? Mtoto pisi huyo. Pisi kaja kuteleza kwenye barafu. Gwani kati. Kuna marafiki zangu nawafuatilia. Umeona hapa kuna isemu kama vile kisemu cha kununua misosi nini, vinywaji. Sehemu ambayo ninaelekea ndo sehemu ya wale beginners wale. Na kwa wale ambao wanataka huduma ya vyoo viko pale. Okay, ndio sehemu ya beginners. Ngoja niwaulize kwanza hapa nipe information zaidi. How are you all doing?
Hi, good, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Is this where like for beginners and stuff?
Yeah.
So how does it work?
Does it work?
Yeah, with the beginners, like, do you have to sign up for something?
Have you signed up for a lesson?
No, nothing.
Okay. If you'd like to have like a training lesson with skis or snowboard, are you skiing or snowboarding today?
Oh, I guess I'll ski. Which one is the easiest?
skiing is easier to learn but harder to master. Snowboarding's harder to master, or harder to learn and easier to master. So skiing would probably be easier to like start to get into.
Yeah.
If
Okay,
you'd like,
then I'll try skiing. So what's the process?
perfect. If you'd like skiing lessons, I recommend coming down towards
skiing lessons, I recommend coming down towards
our ticket booth area just right at the front, and we can book you a lesson. It could be either 1 hour or a 3 hour, and then we can get you on the snow here. We'll get you together with your instructor, your coach, and then we'll get you rocking on those skis.
Okay. Kwa sasa wananirudisha tena nilikotoka nikalipie madarasa. Kwa kumbe madarasa sio bure, lakini at least kuna watu wanatoa madarasa ili kama mtu hauna ujuzi at least uweze kujifunza, uweze kuenjoy. Umeona watu wanavyo enjoy eh? Kwa mimi mwenyewe leo nataka ni enjoy. So guys, as you can see, you know, let me go get some information about the classes because I want to take some classes as well, man. I want to learn how to ski so that I can be a pro. Anyways, let me get to the classes and then, you know, we'll continue. Let me just show you around. So basically, I got the pass, as you can see. Let me show you. I got this thing right here, the other thing in the ticket, and I have another card for like the pass, like, you know, just around this area at all to enjoy all the benefits. And then I spent almost like $229. That's what they just charged me. And now right here, I have to go get the rentals. That's like the boots and all that stuff, the ski boots. So I'll share around like you can see, which is all this stuff. That's for the rentals. So I'll show you how it goes. Anyway, so I'm ready. I got the new outfit, the new shoes. The skiing boots actually. These I'm just ready for my classes and stuff. They gave me these too.
I'm not here, but I did all the staffing.
Yeah, nimetumia almost kama $200 kwa ajili ya kupata hivyo vifaa, kulipia madarasa na kila kitu. So nitakuwa naonesha nikianza kufundishwa. So soon I'm gonna be starting my lesson and then I'll just show you guys what goes on.
Okay, first I'll show you how to carry the skis. Always try to carry the skis with the ski tips up. So reverse them. Did you see snow before?
Yes, I did. Sorry.
First time, right? There I say. So I'm gonna try to give you as many information as possible, as much information as possible, because you do not know it. Now put some energy in there. Boom, 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 and freeze. Freeze, stop, stop. But when I say freeze, you stop suddenly. Now watch this. Jackson, watch her head. And freeze. You see the head is, no, don't touch. The head is the first, hands in front, and hands in front too, like this, to open the balance. But because the ski, you go down the hill, you get scared, and what you do, the brain tells you, go like this and send the legs first. So we have to learn. Bring the head forward and the body.
No matter what, put your head forward.
Absolutely. Absolutely right.
But what if I go like
Superman. Not too much, but a little bit. And when you go down, you get so scared, you always go like, let my feet go first, right? And we don't want that. Sounds good? Good. Now let's practice that. Right, there you go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. You see it's possible? I know you don't know that. It's like walking on the moon with this, huh? They have the same boots on the moon, you know that? So they make them heavy so they don't fly in the space after. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So hands here. Jackson, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I want that pressure in front of your boots. Now bring the hands back here and do that.
By the,
Doesn't feel good, right?
end of the
Come on
boot.
forward. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. So
Right.
do I do it like this? Oh, this.
Don't worry about it. Just do the up and down. You see that you put pressure now on the ball of your foot, right? Look.
Oh, on my foot like this.
Right.
Okay.
And now go back. Put the pressure on your hip, on your heels,
But
Not good, huh?
no good.
Better here.
Yep.
That's why we call it ready position, athletic.
Okay.
I want you to do like this. Watch. Jump and do this. Good. We call this in skiing, we're gonna do a wedge. Easy way for children, we call it a pizza. It's like the ski goes like this and it's like a pizza slice. Pizza.
Okay, just say like a triangle.
Like you cut the pizza slice like this.
Yeah.
And then here is the end of the pizza, right? So let's look at you. Now let's see how you're gonna put the skis on.
Oh, so
The downhill ski first.
so
Downhill, the other one, no. The downhill ski first.
oh, I thought it was the right. It's the left.
The left. Okay,
When it's pointing this way.
right.
And then when it's pointing this
Uphill, downhill. Let's do
way.
it.
Oh, uphill, downhill. So when it's pointing this way, the right will be up. You see, now I know, because at first I thought it's just the right foot. And
Exactly.
so whatever that is facing uphill, just to be last. That's a very good thing I learned.
Yeah,
Because I was like, downhill, I was like,
that's why I say
was
take
just-
your time, think about it, because you
wow.
spend a lot of
Okay, So
energy.
downhill first.
Yes.
So it's not about the
And
left.
we have visitors.
So basically, it's not about the left or right foot. It's about downhill and uphill.
Exactly.
Guys, do not claim.
Because it's about left or right, I would tell you put the left.
Yeah, man. So downhill first,
Yes.
and then uphill.
Okay. Yeah, hold on the angle.
Yep.
Good. Let's go across, nice and easy.
Nice and easy. Okay.
Now make a big wedge. Open up. Pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. There you go. Good job. Keep coming. Good job. Good job. Pizza, pizza. Very good. Keep going. Keep going. Good job. Pizza, pizza, big pizza. I'm hungry. Bigger pizza. Bigger pizza. And this is the fall of the day. Say hello.
I'm gonna try another one.
Oops. Okay, now we're gonna take the ski off.
Okay. Oh.
Good. Roll on your knees and then you get up. Good job.
All right.
Good. Now let's
gonna
see the
try
face. What do you have to say?
Actually, at least I tried. So
Good job.
I'm gonna give it another try and let's see how it goes.
Okay.
Guys,
Yep.
like I said, I'm gonna try it again. So let's see how we're gonna do this.
Sounds good. Fast and Furious, right?
Yeah, fast and furious.
I love it.
See?
Keep going. Yeah. Keep going. Yes, very good.
Woo!
Push behind your boots. Keep going. A little bit more. And then keep going. And go for it. Yes. I'm gonna turn off again. And stop there. You're gonna end up. Go. Very good. Stop. That's it. Very good. And nice turn. Small steps. 1, 2. Push into the poles. Push the poles in front. Slow, nice and easy. Good. Very good. Now 1, 2 more. Don't step away from the poles. Okay. Keep going. Small steps, Jackson. Small steps. Small.
Oh yeah, got it.
Okay. Let's see the face. So tell us something.
I made it. Let me show you what I can do. Another one.
Okay. Yeah, good. And again. Very good. And good. Very good. Let's make a nice turn now. A bullfighting turn. Small steps, small. Good. I'm losing it. I'm losing the view. Okay.
Oh yeah!
Very good. Good. And one more, and that's it. Open and stop. Good. Very good. No more, no more. You're gonna end up in the dirt. Stop, stop, stop. Big wedge. Stop there. Don't move anymore. That's it. Okay.
Guys, thank you so much for
You're
watching.
very welcome. Now here.
If you have not subscribed to my channel,
Okay.
subscribe for new videos.
Look at this.
I'll be another day, I'll be doing snowboarding, so
Okay.
guys, please check me out. I hope you like this video. Comment, tell me what else do you guys want me to try doing next. I love you. Peace.